Hello, loves. When you see a video starting with such a bright smile, such a beautiful face under the sun, then you must know that this video is gonna be lit. Things are about to get lit in here, guys. So welcome back. We're going to create this crown. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Kindly don't leave without subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing. If you are an OG, I see you. Thank you for the support, guys. So we're going to create this sunburst crown because I just love this crown. I really love this crown. It's coming back to trend. It was popular 2 years ago, but now it's coming back to trend, especially for bump shoots, birthday shoots, like yo. So I decided, why not? I just wanted one, so I was like, yo, let me create this, and I'm going to involve my bold closet community. Like you loves, I love you guys. So without further ado, let's jump into this video and let's craft, guys. Let's just craft. Let's do this creation. So all you need, guys, is pushback hairband, and you also need this pushback hairband. Mine is bigger. You can get smaller ones. You need bamboo sticks. These two bamboo sticks. They are very affordable and easy to use. You can get different sizes as you want. For me, I bought long ones, then I had to cut. I wish I bought one pack long and the other one shorter than the one. But anyway, you also need your glue gun. Yes, you're back to using glue gun. Kindly don't forget to take care of your hands. And you need spray paints, because yo guys, spray paints is everything for me nowadays. So yeah, this is what we are going to do. As I said, if you're going to buy them, kindly just go check different centimeters. These ones are 20 centimeters. There are others that are 15 centimeters. Kindly have different centimeters instead of doing double work, because for me I bought same centimeters. All these were 20 centimeters, and then I had to cut because I want to alternate the sizes of these bamboo sticks, so I had to cut. So for you, tip, if you're going to buy this, if you're going to create this with me, kindly go get buy different sizes. The long ones are 20, there are those for 25 centimeters, 25 centimeters, 20 centimeters, and then there's 15 centimeters and 10. So just go get the smaller ones. Just buy one pack long and then one pack short. Yeah, guys. So for me, you see, I decided to have like three different sizes. So I had to make sure Nina Pima, I had to Pima them and make sure that they all have different sizes. And then I had to put same sizes candle, so that when it's easier for me to cut, guys. So yeah, you just enjoy this creation with me. So the next thing you're going to do, we are going to glue down the bamboo sticks, and you start with one at the middle. If you're going to miss your calculation, kindly measure and label where you want to place them, and the distance you want, the gap you want in between. So for me, I didn't do that, by the way. I came to fill in later. But you'll start at the middle where there's the center of your pushback hairband. That's where you put one long, and then you go alternating the glue stick. This glue is hot, and this surface area that you're going to use is also small. So be gentle. Make sure that you drop a little drop of hot glue. Just drop a little bit, one by one, kidogo, as you fix your bamboo stick all through. Like you guys, this was hard. First of all, there are those disappointing glues that will just flip away, of like they'll just come out of where they're supposed to be. There are those ones that will be stubborn. Some of them were stubborn. There are times you'll fix this and the sticks will come out. There's a time that you'll do this, you'll hold tight, and then when you're about to let go of the stick, you realize the bamboo, you realize like, yo, haijashika manze. So you have to be patient. Just be patient with this. Pole. So for me, I decided to start on one side, and as you can see, I'm alternating the sizes. I don't know whether you can tell, but yeah, you can tell. Some are longer, some are shorter, but yeah, just alternate the way you want. The gapping, as I said, it's your choice. You decide what type of gapping you want, whether you want them to have a bigger gap or a larger gap or just like a small one. For me, like I feel like mine had a huge gap, so I came back. Let me not lie, I came back to fill in the gaps because, like you can see, like the first one, the one at the center, the gap between that and the second one is too huge for me. So I came back and you know what? I came back filling in the gaps. And see, you see that one that is misbehaving. Anyway, once you're done, this is your crown. Once it's done, I went in with spray paint. I told you guys, spray paint is everything nowadays. So I decided to paint it gold because I didn't like the black and the whatever. So I decided to paint it gold. And guys, hey, see, I'm loving painting nowadays. Like, spray painting nowadays is just everything, you know? I feel like it makes the whole DIY look superb, makes the whole DIY transform. Like, if I tell you this is the crown that we had, this is the pushback hairband that we had, can you even believe that? Can you? But anyway, after spraying, I realized you can see once you spray, that's the moment you will see the glue gun bumps, those two small bumps, you see, where the bamboo stick has been fixed, there are those two bumps. So I didn't love these bumps. After painting, they were so visible compared to before. So I was like, yo, what do we do to this? Just be gentle when you're painting. Make sure you paint every single part. Yeah, so this is what we have after painting. You can clearly see that crown, see the crown. Like, yo, if you love the bumps, at this point you can wear your crown. For me, I was like, no, I don't feel the vibe with the bumps. So I went in with this ribbon. This ribbon is just elastic, and it was gold. So I went in with it, and I took it in and out, in and out, in and out of every bamboo stick. Like, as you can see, in, out. Be gentle not to pull your sticks. Be very, very gentle not to pull out your sticks, because one mistake and all your sticks will come down and you'll feel so disappointed. So be gentle. So for me, I took in the ribbon all through. At this point, once the ribbon is done, trust me, your crown is done too. Like, your crown is ready. Once the ribbon is done, your crown is ready. You can wear it just like that. See the way it's coming to life. You see that. Hey, my friends, can you even tell this? Like, hey, we have really, really transformed. Be gentle. Be gentle. Don't pull as I was pulling, because I realized this girl was being careless. And yo, you don't want to go through the hassle of repeating the whole crown. But again, see, once that ribbon is done, see, your crown is done. See? So what you'll do, you'll make sure that you glue down the edges. Those two tips, that the last edges where the crown, yes, that one. Instead of letting it hang, I decided to glue it. But guys, can you see that crown? So you can already wear it. Yes, you can. Like, at this point, you already have a crown, guys. There, you have a crown, manze. And it's amazing. It's super, super amazing. But again, for me, like a little demon, you feel those voices you have at the back of your mind. For me, those are two little demons. For me, there was this, because I'm very obsessed with something that you already know. After gluing this down, when I was gluing this down, that voice was speaking like, yo, please do the thing. Please do the thing. Do the thing. Do the thing. And I was like, should I? This crown is already done. Like, it's already complete. But hey, when the demon voice is there, you listen. Like, see that crown. You can already, like, at this point, you can end your video here. You can end your video here. But for Kimsey, it wasn't going to happen. So she was like, that demon was like, please add something. Add something. And you know what, guys? Who am I not to listen? Who am I not to listen? So I glued this down gently, 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 because I told you glue gun is too hot. And this point, you're coming to direct contact. Like, unaenda kuigusa, you're going to touch it directly. See? You see? You're going to touch it directly. So what you do, be gentle and just don't put too much. First of all, don't put too much, and second of all, hold it down, hold it down. Aki, that crown is done. But that demon voice was like, damn, add spoons to this crown, add spoons. You can add flowers, but the little voice at the back of my mind was like, you know what, add spoons. And whoa, who am I to say no? Who am I to say no? So I came in with spoons. As I've said, your crown is already done. You can go that way with, if you like it being, if you don't like, if you like it minimal, you can just do the ribbon. And if you want to go a notch higher, you can use flowers. And if you want to be dramatic like me, you can use spoons. Because guys, as I told you, these spoons, I've been having these spoons and nothing is going to waste. So Kimsey decided, you know what, we're going to do spoons, yeah? And guys, here are my orange spoons. Hey, my orange spoons are here now. And I was just like, you know, see, oh gosh, see, there we have our crown. Like, that's the final look of this crown. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and share. And you guys, like and comment. Like, I love your support. This crown is so dramatic for me because it has cute spoons. It's so dramatic, but very, very, very cute, guys. And you know what? I'm going to do a shoot with these spoons and with this crown. Like, our crown is done. Our dramatic crown. I'm calling it dramatic because, yo, I've done it. I've done too much. I can tell I've done too much. But anyway, I love this, and guys, that's the final look. That's the final look. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Till next time. Yo, I'm obsessed. Anyway, till next time, guys. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. Mad love, my people.